Welcome to PartyRock! Hey everybody, Jimmy here. Have you ever had a brilliant, hilarious, or just plain weird idea for an app? Me too, all the time. I'll be in the middle of a monologue and suddenly I'm like, what if there was an app that turned your dog's barks into compliments? But then you think, coding, that sounds hard. That sounds like homework. Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Today we're talking about PartyRock, which is part of Amazon Web Services or AWS. It's the easiest, most fun way to build your own apps without writing a single line of code. It's like building with Legos, but for your brain. Seriously, if you can write a text message, you can build an app. PartyRock uses something called generative AI, which is a fancy way of saying you tell it what you want in plain English, and it builds it for you. It's like having your own personal app-making genie. You just rub the lamp or, type on the keyboard. And poof, your idea comes to life. We're going to build some amazing things together today. Some will be silly, some will be super useful, but all of them will be a blast to create. We're going to walk through 5 incredible app ideas that you can build right now. So, what do you say? Are you ready to become an app developer? Because that's what's happening today, folks. Alright, first up, let's get a little wild. We all take selfies. We post them, we love them, we think we look great. But what if your selfie had a sense of humor? A very, very sarcastic sense of humor. Introducing the Roast My Selfie bot. This app is pure comedy. First, log into PartyRock. Click Build Your Own App. Give it a fun name like Selfie Roaster. For this, you only need 2 widgets. First, add an image uploader widget. Then add a text generation widget. Type this into the prompt. You are a witty, sarcastic comedian. Look at the uploaded image from the Image Uploader 1 and write a short, funny, lighthearted roast about the person in the photo. Keep it clean, but make it clever. Now save your app, upload a photo of yourself making a silly face, and hit run. Prepare to laugh or cry a little, but mostly laugh. Okay, we've had our laugh, now let's get moving. This next app is for everyone who loves to binge watch their favorite shows, but also feels a tiny bit guilty about not going to the gym. It's the Binge and Burn TV workout generator. The idea is simple. You tell the app what show you're watching, and it creates a custom workout game based on what happens in the show. In PartyRock, start a new app. Call it Binge and Burn. First, add a text input widget. In the label, write, "What TV show are you watching?" Next, add a text generation widget. In the prompt box, type, "You are a fun and creative fitness coach. Create a list of 5 workout rules for a drinking game-style workout based on the TV show mentioned in a text input 1. The exercises should be simple things you can do in a living room, like squats, push-ups, or planks. For example, if you're watching The Office, you might do 10 jumping jacks every time Jim looks at the camera. It's genius. It makes exercise feel less like a chore and more like a drinking game, but with squats instead of shots. Let's move from fun and games to something that will genuinely save your sanity on a weeknight. We've all been there. It's 6 p.m. You're staring blankly into the abyss of your refrigerator. The eternal question echoes in your mind. What's for dinner? We're building the What's for Dinner Lifesaver. This app is a culinary genius that takes the ingredients you already have and whips up a delicious recipe idea for you. Start a new app and call it Dinner SOS. First, add a text input widget. Label it, "What ingredients do you have?" Separate with commas. This is where you'll list out the random stuff you find in your fridge. Add a text generation widget. Type this prompt, "You are a helpful chef. Based on the ingredients listed in Text Input 1, create a simple, easy-to-follow recipe. Include a catchy name for the dish, a list of ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. If an ingredient is missing, suggest a common substitute." Ready for the pro tip? Add a second text input widget and label it. Any dietary restrictions? For example, gluten-free, vegetarian. Then, update your main prompt to include this new information. Boom! Now your app caters to your specific needs. We've all felt the panic. A birthday is coming up, an anniversary, a holiday, and you have absolutely no idea what to get for that special someone. You wander aimlessly through stores or scroll endlessly online, hoping for inspiration that never comes. Let's eliminate that stress forever with our next app, the Perfect Gift Finder. This brilliant little helper acts as your personal gift-giving consultant. In PartyRock, create a new app called Gift Genius. This one requires a few text input widgets to gather details. Who is the gift for? What is the occasion? What are their hobbies and interests? What is your approximate budget? Add a text generation widget with this prompt. You are an expert gift-giving consultant. Based on the following information, suggest 5 unique and thoughtful gift ideas. The gift is for my a text input 1, for a text input 2. Their hobbies are a text input 3, and my budget is around a text input 4. For each idea, briefly explain why it's a good gift. To take this app to the next level, add another text generation widget for specific product examples from Amazon or Etsy. This turns your app from just an idea generator into a genuinely useful shopping assistant. You're a gift-giving hero. For our final app, let's build something that makes us all smarter. Have you ever read an article about a complex topic like quantum computing, blockchain, or the stock market and felt completely lost? It's like everyone is speaking a different language. That's where our next app comes in. Let's build the Explain It Like I'm 5 Genius. This app takes any complicated subject and breaks it down into a super simple explanation that a 5-year-old could understand. In PartyRock, start a new app and name it Eli 5 Genius. You only need 2 widgets. First, add a text input widget labeled, What complex topic do you want explained simply? Next, add a text generation widget. Type this prompt. You are a friendly and patient teacher who is an expert at simplifying things. Explain the topic of a text input 1 to me as if I were a 5-year-old. Use simple words, short sentences, and a fun analogy to make it easy to understand. For a pro tip, add a drop-down widget with options like 5-year-old, high school student, and curious adult. This allows you to get explanations at different complexity levels depending on what you need. So go ahead, build these apps, experiment, have fun, and see what amazing, hilarious, and useful things you can create. The party is just getting started.